back to my channel or welcome to my channel. If you haven't done so already, please do hit that subscribe button. Today we're making the famous whipped coffee video that we saw on TikTok. So you take 2 tablespoons of sugar, you put it in a bowl. Perfect. And then you take your instant coffee, 2 tablespoons of that as well. There you go. So you need hot boiling water as well. I took this cup and I put it in the microwave for about 2 minutes. So 2 tablespoons of that as well. And let's start whisking. So you want to whisk this until it is whipped and also it peaks a little bit. So after about 15 to 20 minutes while you whip this thing by hand, if you do have an electrical mixer, I would 100% recommend it. And also, please wear another shirt that you're not going to be going out with. So, let's grab our cup here. Cold milk, about 3/4 in. Perfect. And then let's take our whipped instant coffee here. It's pretty good, right? I think we did a good job. And now let's put it all in here. Okay. And of course, you can tell that it's whipped because it gets that peak on there too. Maybe I should have used another spoon for this. Give me a second. There we go. Do you see this? And there you go. It's peaked. And now what you want to do is take your straw and you want to mix it up and drink it. Well, this is it. This is the viral video that everybody's just been posting up. But please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like on this video, and comment down below.